Once upon a time, in a lush forest, there lived a group of diverse animals. They all had unique qualities and talents, but they rarely interacted with one another. Each animal was content within their own world, unaware of the power they held when they united. One day, a wise old owl named Oliver noticed the lack of unity among the animals. He decided it was time for a change. Oliver called for a meeting and shared his vision of a united animal kingdom where they could accomplish incredible things together. The animals were initially hesitant. They had never worked together and doubted their ability to make a difference. However, Oliver persisted, reminding them of their individual strengths and the potential they held as a team. The animals started collaborating, discovering that their diverse skills complemented one another perfectly. The strong lion protected the weak, while the nimble squirrel gathered food for everyone. The wise owl guided them with his wisdom, and the quick rabbit scouted for dangers. As time passed, the forest transformed into a thriving community. The animals built bridges, created shelters, and even started a school to educate their young ones. They realized that their unity was their greatest strength. News of their success spread far and wide, inspiring other animals and creatures from neighboring forests to come and join their cause. The animal kingdom grew stronger, and they achieved feats they never dreamed possible. The animals learned that by embracing their differences, they could accomplish extraordinary things. They realized that unity and collaboration were the keys to unlocking their true potential. Together, they had the power to create a better world not just for themselves, but for all creatures of the forest. And so, the animals of the forest lived happily ever after, forever remembering the lesson they had learned. That when they stand together, no challenge is too great, and no dream is too far out of reach.